Hey guys, hope everyone's doing good out there. I know this coronavirus has a lot of people nervous and stuff. I just want to make sure everyone's doing okay. Be safe. I just want to share something really quick with you here. Has to kind of related to the coronavirus. A lot of you guys are probably using hand sanitizers. It seems to be the number one thing. Well, I want you guys to be aware that when using that stuff, any little bit that gets in your car, and if you leave it there for a minute, it'll mess it up, especially like the steering wheel, the shifter here. If you look right here, this is from a little bit getting on there, probably sat for a minute, and it just etched itself in that plastic. That won't come off. It just like changed the color of it. It doesn't feel any different, but as you can see, it just stripped it. Usually happens on the shifter here, and then you can see a little bit here on the steering wheel even. If I focus it right there, see the little white marks on it? That's from my wife using hand sanitizer, and it's not absorbed in the skin all the way. It'll do that, and there's nothing you can do about it. I can put 303 on it, kind of blends it, but then after an hour or so, it'll look like that. So just want to share that with you guys. If you guys are using a ton of hand sanitizer, be very careful. If it drops on your plastic, wipe it up right away, and then go over it with a wet cloth to make sure there's no residual left over. Then it's fine. But if you leave it even a minute, it's all it takes, and it'll etch into the plastic or leather, whatever it is, and you're gonna have to replace it or just live with it like that. So I just want to share that with you guys. If you do use that, like I said, a lot of people right now especially are, just be mindful of where you're putting it, and wipe it down if you accidentally spill it, or do it outside the car. Would be the best thing, because it's inevitable you're going to touch it. So just want to share that with you guys. Hope everyone's doing good. And I will talk to you guys next time. Be safe, guys.